Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my classic size new Villabeautifful VB planner. Yes, this is the second planner that I have from Villabeautifful, and as you can see, it is gorgeous with the clear dividers and the neutral colored dashboards. This is so cute. It says a goal without a plan is just a wish. This is awesome. I love it. I love the whole layout. And I love these dividers. These are so, so pretty. So I thought I would do something different for this spread. Normally in the digitals that I was planning in before I received the actual planner, I was always using the Villabeautifful stickers. So I decided that for the last week in February, I would try something a little different. So let me go ahead and pull these pages off the disc. I normally plan with the pages outside of the planner. It just makes it easier for me. So let me go ahead and put the planner to the side and show you what I'm going to use. All right, so this week I am going to be using, oops, let me get that open. Don't you just love that layout? I love it. So much space. This week I'm going to use the Happy Planner Biz Babe sticker book. And along with that, I'm going to be using this washi tape that came as a special bonus for people who pre-ordered. And what this is a list of numbers, which actually turns this layout into an hourly layout. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can get it to focus. All right, there you go. So it's a beautiful silver foiled strip, and it can become an hourly layout. You can also use these as numbers for lists. So, and it goes from 1 to 12, and then it has a circle, a square, and a star. So I'm going to see what I can do with these for this week. So I am going to speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I think I'm going to stop right there. I could go on and on and on with these stickers with the space that's in this layout. So let me go ahead and put this back on the disc. And I thought that would be a nice way to introduce the planner in case there are people that got the planner but, you know, don't have a lot of stickers, but they have other types of stickers. Like I have hundreds of Happy Planner sticker books, and so I wanted to make sure that I tried to incorporate something different into the planner. Okay, so I think this is the right page, so let's see how it looks. And let's see. All right, that's it. I love it, and I love how I was able to put these number stickers down. I think here will be evening, morning. I only did 2, evening, morning, and then this one I'm going to use for lists. So hopefully it's a list for that I can refer back to on the weekend. I've got my big ideas down here and my brain dump down here. I probably should have switched those around since the titles here kind of go well with that. I might just go ahead and see if I can pull this up and switch these 2 sides around so I can have my ideas on this side and I can have my brain dump on this side. And yeah, I like how that turned out. I like that better, since this is going to be more of a list of things here, and then I can have my ideas. All right, so that's it, y'all. I am so excited about this spread. I'm just completely pleased with it. I love the layout. I love the space and, you know, just the overall feel of it. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.